What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another full day of eating. Today we're gonna be eating 1900 calories, 197 grams of protein. Crazy. Pretty simple day of eating. I'm gonna show you guys how I cook every single recipe, how it's done. Like the video, comment, all that good shit. Let's go.
All right, meal number one. We've got some mushrooms, we got some mini peppers, we got an onion, we got 2 eggs, some center cut bacon, some cage-free egg whites, and 250 grams of potatoes. Something I like to do is actually I'll take the scissors and I will just chop up my veggies into my pan like this. This is the ultimate lazy way to cut up your vegetables. I'll cut up my mushrooms in there, my onion, doesn't have to be perfect, guys. Just get those veggies in there. A little bit of non-stick spray. We're gonna do 1 cup of egg whites, which is usually about half this container. Then we're going to crack 2 eggs. Then what we're gonna do is take some salt and pepper, sprinkle that in there. I've got my 2 strips of center cut bacon here, and I'm just going to cut that up into the pan as well. Potatoes, those are going in. And then you just mix everything up, get it all incorporated, get those yolks broken up. And we're gonna pop this in the oven on 350 for 20 minutes. Alright guys, there we have it. Meal number 1. I like some of this sugar-free ketchup drizzled on mine. You can put whatever you want on yours, but this meal is beautiful because it is around 50 grams of protein and only like 500 something calories. And you're getting a ton of micronutrients from the veggies and the potatoes. You're getting some fiber in there. You're starting your day off right. And I like this meal for number 1. It's also super easy. You just chuck everything in the oven and just leave it.
I'm gonna holler at you guys for meal number 2. See you then.
Alright, so I was gonna have some coffee, but I'm out of creamer. So, oh, by the way, man, shout out to Coffee for Kids. Okay, this company is super dope. All the proceeds and the profits, they go towards kids in El Salvador. So this company, I'm gonna start working with them because they have some delicious coffee and it's for a good cause. Anyways, so I got my coffee here, but I had no creamer. But I got this Legion Way cinnamon cereal, code Jeff for 20% off. And I'm gonna show you guys how to make this delicious coffee drink. Alright, so coffee goes in. 1 scoop of cinnamon cereal whey. I'm gonna put some ice. Sheesh! Almost spilled it. But that's it. That's so good. And you're getting protein and coffee. Come on. Come on. What else do you need? What else do you need? Alright, I'll see y'all for the next meal. Mello got a new bone that he almost chewed all the way through. So he's very, very excited about this bone. You're so photogenic, dude. He really is. Alright, lunchtime. I just put the rest of those veggies in with some lean ground beef here. Gonna put it over the rest of this rice. that Mac hooked me up with. So looks like about a cup, but I'm gonna weigh it out. All right, we got about 100 grams of rice. Pro tip, if you guys want to microwave rice and have it be fluffy and moist, put a wet paper towel over your rice and then microwave for 1.5 minutes. All right, I got this Kiko, is it Kiko Man? I don't know. Whatever, this teriyaki, it's 15 calories per tablespoon. We're just gonna do a little bit because it's pretty salty. And that was almost perfect. 17 grams, serving size is 15 grams. By the way, milliliters and grams are the same when it comes to a food scale. All right, so that's lunch, boom. Oh, and by the way, this is a lot of ground beef because I'm bigger and I need more protein. This is about 9 ounces of raw ground beef. And then I've got still another 9 ounces left in the pan for later, and I'll be using this in the recipe later. Matt got me a keg pop, so.
Because he's a special man.
Let's try it out. I don't know if I've had one, to be honest.
I mean, it's like one bite of cake.
Yeah, but it's good cake, right?
You suck on.
What? What kind is this?
It's the birthday cake one. I don't know.
Well,
Is it good?
that's good.
Hey, is it moist?
Kind of tastes like cookie dough in the middle.
Sounds like you're saying.
That's fire.
Oh yeah. Fuck yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so final meal. We've got the rest of that beef I cooked up. We got one of these Joseph's Lavash wraps, and then got some fat-free mozzarella cheese. I know this doesn't look like much, maybe a bit of a struggle meal, but let's see if I can make like a crunch wrap kind of thing. I don't know. I'm just gonna roll this up weird. Anyways. All right, you gotta microwave this for like 10 seconds so it doesn't rip. And we're gonna assemble. All right, so this is a reverse weighing. So I put the bag of cheese on the scale, tear it out, so it says 0 grams. And then I'm probably gonna put some like 40 grams on top like that. So yeah, not even 34 grams is what it ended up being. And we're gonna wrap it up. Okay, so you can take like one side like that, and like that, and then you pinch and you fold it like that. That, like that, and like that. So you can see that's kind of what it's looking like. And then we want to seal the bottom. So I'm gonna get this pan probably like medium high, and then I'm just going to drop this guy in there like that. Boom. Let that crisp up a bit. I'm gonna get some veggies in the air fryer. I already had these veggies from earlier. These are going in. Boom. Alright, browned it a little too much, but that's okay. Still gonna taste great. Boom. Alright guys, this is a final meal.
Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you watched all the way to the end, try these recipes out. Tag me on my stories on IG if you end up making these. Make sure you like the video. If you want me to keep doing full day of eating type videos where I show you guys the recipes and how to do them, give you guys some ideas and inspirations, drop a comment down below so that I know that you guys like these videos and you want me to do more of them. All right? Okay, bye.